You ready? Let's do that again.
Don't even think about it because I ate on all of
Yes.
it.
No. Dylan James.
Some on my finger.
No, I'll give you some on your finger. Don't eat my gingerbread man.
Alright.
How did it become your gingerbread man?
I'm she.
Okay, let's decorate. Okay, and then we're going to do... No. Now we're done eating the gingerbread man.
Yes.
You keep those... No, they're going to melt in your hand. Okay. Keep them for decoration.
Oh, where did it go? Can I put another one? Can I put one on?
Not yet. We have to say, hey, hold on, people. What's going on? Dylan, don't eat Gingy's arm. Stop it. Okay. Now you can put one. I'm going to put right here, just like in the picture. Put one M&M. No, okay, I guess you can put them wherever you want to put them. You know, don't eat them. They're for decoration. Yep. Okay. Now get another one and put it on his other foot. No. Well, we have to do the buttons. Hold on. No, we got to do his eyes. Okay. Okay, you want to do... Here, you do the buttons, Dylan. You want to do the buttons? Here, you do the buttons. You ready to do the buttons?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on. Where are the buttons? Oh, wait, look, you do the hand. Do one right there on his hand.
Put it on the
and
frosting.
Amanda, you do the other hand. Put it right on the frosting here, Dylan. Okay, Dylan, put it right on. Good job. Okay, no eating them. Don't eat them because we're going to run out of buttons.
We're not going to eat them.
Okay, so Gingy gets a smile.
Smile. Ooh. Mommy. He eats when.
That's okay. Okay, now who's going to do the buttons?
Me. I'm doing the buttons.
One.
One.
Okay, watch his